been in the Craig Proctor system for 7 years. Our total GCI at the beginning was $650,000. We've grown to a large team, 2 different locations since then, and our gross commissions this year will be around $5 million. We grow our business about $1 million every year. Well, Todd Walters has become a friend and a mentor, of course, but he is someone that he's a giver. He is someone that he'll pull at your heartstrings to help you to grow and be bigger and better.
Who will be the next Craig Proctor System Platinum Superstar? See the roadmap to increasing your business by 300% or more without giving up your personal life to do it. Request your free one-on-one platinum level quantum leap consultation at www.richagentsystem.com or call 678-436-8292 and go serve big.